They say time is money, but what if your money could grow while you sleep? Imagine turning a few thousand pesos into more just by letting time do its thing.
That's what we're diving into today, the power of compound interest.
Hey everyone, I'm Kisha.
I'm Sofia.
And I'm Kent. And that villager behind us is Kirby. He is our assistant for today, mostly here for emotional support.
Anyway, let's explore how smart investments can make your money grow over time. So grab your emeralds and calculators, we're mining some math.
Our first scenario features Mr. Perez, who plans to invest 250,000 pesos for his daughter's wedding fund. He has two options to choose from. Option A, 9% compounded annually for 12 years, and option B, 8.8% compounded quarterly for 12 years. Now let's find out which one earns more.
Let's start with option A, which is compounded annually. We'll use this formula to compound interest. Now, let's substitute the given values. Principal equals 250,000 pesos, rate equals 0.09, compounding period equals 1, and time is equals to 12 years. So we'll have FV is equals to 250,000 times 1 plus 0.09 over 1, raised to the power of 1 times 12. When we calculate that together, that gives 703,166 pesos point 20. Now, we subtract the principal to find the interest earned. 703,166 pesos point 20 minus 250,000 pesos is equals to 453,166 pesos point 20 earned.
Now let's move on to option B, which is compounded quarterly. We'll use the same formula. First, we substitute the given values. Principal equals 250,000, rate equals 0.088, compounding period equals 4, time equals 12 years. That becomes FV equals 250,000 times 1 plus 0.088 divided by 4 to the power of 4 times 12. When we calculate that together, 1 plus 0.022 equals 1.022. Then we raise it to the 48th power and multiply the result by 250,000 pesos. And that gives us 710,530.96 pesos. Finally, subtract the principal. 710,530.96 pesos minus 250,000 equals 460,530.96 pesos earned.
So, option A earned 453,166.20 pesos, while option B earned 460,530.96 pesos. That means option B earned 7,364.76 pesos more after 12 years.
Therefore, the better choice for Mr. Perez' wedding fund is option D, 8.8% compounded quarterly.
That's right, Kirby. You guessed it before we even said it.
Now, let's move on to our second scenario, this time featuring Mr. Rivera, who wants to deposit 700,000 in a retirement account. He has two choices. Bank A offers 7% compounded annually for 20 years, while Bank B offers 6.8 compounded quarterly for 20 years. Let's find out which account grows larger over time.
We'll begin with Bank A, which is compounded annually. The formula we'll use is the same. Now let's substitute the given values. Principal equals 700,000, rate equals 0.07, compounding period equals 1, and time equals 20 years. So we'll have FV equals 700,000 times 1 plus 0.07 divided by 1, raised to the power of 1 times 20. When we calculate that together, that gives 2,708,779.12 pesos earned. Subtracting the principal, 2,708,779.12 pesos minus 700,000 equals 2,008,779.12 pesos earned.
Alright, now for Bank B, compounded quarterly. We'll use the same formula again. First, we substitute the given values. Principal equals 700,000 pesos. Rate equals 0.068. Compounding period equals 4. Time equals 20 years. So that becomes FV equals 700,000 times 1 plus 0.068 over 4 raised to the power of 4 times 20. When we calculate that together, that gives 2,696,337.64 pesos. Finally, subtract the principal. 2,696,337.64 pesos minus 700,000 is equals to 1,996,337.64 pesos earned.
Yup, you heard that right, Kirby. Even though Bank B compounds more frequently, Bank A still wins in the long run.
Exactly. Bank A's total amount is 2,708,779.12 pesos, while Bank B is 2,696,337.64 pesos. That means Bank A gives about 12,441.48 pesos more after 20 years. And that's it for both of our scenarios. We learned that compounding frequency and interest rate can make a huge difference in how much your money grows over time.
That's right. In scenario 15, the quarterly compounding option gave Mr. Perez a higher return for his daughter's wedding fund.
While in scenario 19, even though Bank B compounded more often, Bank A's higher interest rate made it the better choice for Mr. Rivera's retirement plan.
Exactly, Kirby. The lesson here is to compare both the rate and the compounding period before making any investment.
Because even a small difference in rate or frequency can lead to thousands of pesos gained or lost over time.
So if you're planning for your future, whether it's a wedding, retirement, or even your dream house, make sure you understand how compound interest works.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new today. See you in the next one, and remember, let your money grow smart.